light shone in our country was no ordinary light, and 1,000 years later, that light will still be seen. Thus spoke Jawaharlal Nehru about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, born on October 2nd, 1869, was a personality who sought education for legal practice. He became a social activist, thereafter a politician, henceforth a great leader, a zestful writer, and an enterprising soul. He was a small man, a fragile figure, clad in a simple loin cloth, but with a gigantic dream in his heart. He is called the Apostle of Peace, Love and Non-Violence, a fascinating personality who still looms larger than life over the horizon. This little man had a Pandora charm and vigor to take his country to new heights of prosperity and make it a land of Dharma, where self-sufficiency, tolerance, truthfulness and peace reign. His dream, first of all, to free his country from the foreign rule. To achieve this goal, he observed non-violence in its true meaning. The concept of ahimsa, non-violence, has a long history in Indian philosophy of thoughts, with Dharma being considered the highest precept to be observed towards all living beings at all times, in all respects, be it actions, words, or even thoughts. Gandhiji dedicated his life to discovering and pursuing truths, Satya, and called his movement Satyagraha, an appeal to insistence on or reliance on the truth. For him, the totality of the human person, with her body, soul and spirit, must practice truthfulness in thought, in feeling, in word and in deed. Gandhiji imbibed and instilled within the people to stand for their rights, to uphold their dignity and be self-reliant. Gandhiji also made sincere attempts to educate the masses on the importance of health and hygiene. He believed cleanliness is next to godliness. He often used to say, a clean soul is a true indication of a clear body. He not only preached his ideas but practiced it in his own life by cleaning his room, washing his clothes and helping his co-workers in maintaining the cleanliness of his ashram, restoring the dignity of labor. In 2007, UN's General Assembly declared Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, as the International Day of Non-Violence. UNESCO in 1948 proposed for a school day of non-violence and peace, which is observed in many countries now on 30th January, the martyrdom day of the hero. Indeed, he was a man of the millennium, a charisma of humanity.